SOHO, Solar and Heliospheric Observatory. UFO evidence. Launched in 1995 as a joint mission between NASA and the European Space Agency, ESA, the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, SOHO, was designed to provide unprecedented observations of the Sun's atmosphere and monitor solar activity that could impact Earth. Officially, SOHO's mission is to study the solar wind, coronal mass ejections, CMEs, and solar flares, helping scientists better understand the dynamics of the Sun and its influence on space weather. But according to whistleblowers, astronomers, and independent researchers, SOHO's instruments have captured much more than solar phenomena. They have recorded evidence of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, and advanced extraterrestrial craft operating near the Sun. For over 2 decades, SOHO's high-resolution images and video feeds have revealed anomalous objects of enormous size, speed, and complexity, leading to speculation that intelligent civilizations may be using the Sun as an energy source, a gateway for interstellar travel, or a staging ground for observing Earth and its solar system. But instead of acknowledging these discoveries, NASA and ESA have allegedly suppressed this information, hiding the truth about what SOHO has really observed. The official mission of SOHO: monitoring the Sun for space weather. SOHO was launched on December 2, 1995, and positioned at the Lagrange point 1, L1, approximately 1.5 million kilometers, 930,000 miles from Earth, where it enjoys an uninterrupted view of the Sun. Equipped with 12 advanced scientific instruments, SOHO continuously observes solar activity and provides real-time data on solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and solar wind dynamics. SOHO's official objectives include understanding the Sun's inner workings, observing solar oscillations and mapping the Sun's interior, monitoring solar eruptions, detecting and predicting solar flares and CMEs that can disrupt communications and power grids on Earth, tracking the solar wind, studying the interaction between the solar wind and the Earth's magnetosphere to predict space weather events. But while SOHO has significantly advanced our understanding of the Sun, its instruments have also detected anomalies that defy conventional explanations. The anomalous objects captured by SOHO, what are they? Over the years, SOHO's LASCO, large-angle and spectrometric coronagraph, cameras have captured thousands of images and videos that reveal strange, unidentified objects near the Sun. These objects, many of which appear massive, structured, and capable of incredible maneuvers, have raised serious questions about their origin and purpose. Some of the most puzzling anomalies include gigantic cylindrical craft. SOHO has repeatedly captured images of massive cylindrical objects that appear to be thousands of miles long, positioned near the Sun. These objects, often described as spacecraft the size of planets, defy any known human-made technology. Geometric and symmetrical structures. Some images show perfectly symmetrical objects with rectangular, triangular, or spherical shapes, suggesting the presence of intelligently designed structures near the Sun. Rapidly moving objects. SOHO has recorded fast-moving anomalies that appear to enter and exit the Sun's corona at hypersonic speeds, exhibiting flight characteristics that violate the known laws of physics. Formation patterns and coordinated movements. Some footage shows multiple objects maneuvering in synchronized formations, raising speculation that these objects may be part of an organized fleet or surveillance system. Energy harvesting. Are alien civilizations using the Sun as a power source? One of the most compelling theories surrounding SOHO's anomalous observations suggests that extraterrestrial civilizations may be using the Sun as an energy source. According to this theory, advanced spacecraft positioned near the Sun could be harvesting energy through highly advanced technology, perhaps utilizing the Sun's plasma, or extracting energy through methods far beyond our current understanding. Possible methods of solar energy. Harvesting include Dyson sphere or Dyson swarm. Technology. Some researchers theorize that these objects could be part of a Dyson swarm, a megastructure concept proposed by physicist Freeman Dyson, in which a civilization surrounds a star to capture its energy. Plasma harvesting and advanced propulsion. By collecting and manipulating high-energy plasma from the Sun, these spacecraft may power interstellar propulsion systems capable of traveling vast distances. Stargates or wormhole technology. Some theorists suggest that the Sun's intense gravitational and electromagnetic fields may be used by advanced civilizations to open wormholes or stargates, allowing for instantaneous travel across the galaxy. Extraterrestrial surveillance. Are these objects observing Earth? Another chilling possibility is that the objects observed by SOHO are not merely harvesting solar energy, they are monitoring Earth and human activities. The Sun's position offers an ideal vantage point to observe the solar system without detection. If extraterrestrial civilizations wanted to conduct long-term surveillance of Earth, placing observation platforms near the Sun would be a logical strategic choice. Possible objectives of extraterrestrial surveillance: monitoring technological development, observing humanity's progress in space exploration, nuclear capabilities, and artificial intelligence, preventing planetary catastrophes, tracking solar activity and intervening to prevent events that could threaten life on Earth, assessing human readiness for contact, evaluating whether humanity has reached a level of technological and social maturity that justifies direct contact with extraterrestrial civilizations. The blackout periods. Are anomalies being covered up? Over the years, SOHO has experienced multiple unexplained blackouts where live feeds and data transmissions have been mysteriously interrupted during moments when anomalous objects appeared near the Sun. In many cases, live feeds were abruptly cut, and critical data was lost or withheld from public access. Coincidence or deliberate suppression? Suspicious timing. Many of the blackout periods occurred immediately after UFO-like anomalies appeared on SOHO's live feeds. Data manipulation. Independent researchers have accused NASA and ESA of altering or removing frames from SOHO's video feeds, making it impossible for the public to analyze key footage. Sudden system malfunctions. SOHO has experienced technical malfunctions during critical moments, raising suspicions that these incidents may have been deliberate attempts to prevent the public from witnessing classified events. Whistleblowers speak out. NASA's alleged cover-up. Several former NASA employees and contractors have come forward over the years, claiming that NASA and other space agencies have intentionally suppressed evidence of extraterrestrial activity observed by SOHO and other space-based observatories. Notable whistleblower testimonies. Dr. Norman Berggren, a former NASA engineer and author of The Ringmakers of Saturn, Berggren claimed that giant spacecraft were observed near Saturn and the Sun, with capabilities far beyond human technology. Donna Hare, a former NASA contractor who worked at the Johnson Space Center, Hare alleged that NASA regularly airbrushed and altered photos to remove evidence of UFOs and anomalous objects. Why the cover-up? The suppression of SOHO's UFO evidence may be part of a broader effort to maintain control over public perception of extraterrestrial contact. If SOHO's data revealed undeniable proof of advanced civilizations interacting with our solar system, it could destabilize global power structures, disrupt religious and scientific paradigms, and trigger societal unrest. The implications. What does SOHO's evidence mean for humanity? If SOHO has truly captured undeniable evidence of UFOs and extraterrestrial craft near the Sun, the implications for humanity are profound. We are not alone. The presence of intelligent civilizations actively operating near our Sun suggests that we are part of a larger cosmic network that has been observing humanity for millennia. Extraterrestrial technology, far beyond ours. The technological capabilities demonstrated by these objects suggest a level of advancement that could revolutionize human understanding of physics, energy, and space travel. Contact may be closer than we think. If these objects are monitoring Earth, it raises the possibility that direct contact or disclosure could be imminent, potentially reshaping the trajectory of human civilization. What comes next? Is disclosure inevitable? As pressure mounts for disclosure of UAPs and extraterrestrial contact, the data collected by SOHO and other space-based observatories may soon become impossible to suppress. If the truth about SOHO's UFO evidence is finally revealed, it could shatter humanity's perception of its place in the universe and open the door to an era of unprecedented discovery and transformation. But until that moment arrives, SOHO continues to silently watch the sun, and perhaps the visitors who have been watching us all along. The question is no longer, are we alone? But rather, what are they doing so close to our sun? And when the truth is finally uncovered, the answers may redefine the course of human history forever.